Hello, here we are again for another session of POP's distribution tips and tricks. Today we're going to concentrate on the Armor Grip suspension, commonly called the AGS unit. We're going to look at how to install the housing to be able to align your bolt on this housing when you install this. As you can see, we have the housing, we have the U-strap, and we have the bolt and nut. This is a toolless operation. And we'll keep that in mind as we go on, because we'll use the bolt to help us install the U-strap. First thing we'll do is take the housing, put it over the conductor, around the dog bone. As you can see, I already have this installed. We line the holes up with the colors of the AGS rods. We'll take the U-strap, start to insert it by hand. And as we go, we'll use the bolt from the assembly to help us tap that. We give it a few taps. We want to spread these ears. This will help install the bolt much easier. As you can see, I'm spreading these. Couple taps. You have a couple firm taps at the end. Spread this, and that's how your bolt goes in. You apply the lock washer as well as the nut. And you'll notice there's a locking system right here on the nut. You want that facing out. We'd go ahead and tighten that up. This shows a complete installation of an Armor Grip suspension with a toolless application. With the housing, hopefully these tips have helped you, will help you in the future to install this much easier. Thank you, and please join us again for another session of POP's Distribution Tips and Tricks.